In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and organize multiple video requests in the Meta AI app. To begin, open the Meta AI app on your mobile device and make sure you're on the main screen. This is where you'll manage each of your video ideas. If you're planning to generate several different videos, starting from the main screen each time will help you stay organized and avoid mixing prompts together. Now tap New Chat to start your first conversation. Think of each new chat as its own separate workspace. This is useful because it keeps one video idea from overlapping with another, especially if you're testing different topics, styles, or creative directions. Once the new chat opens, enter your first video prompt and send it to Meta AI. Be as clear as you want in your request, since this conversation will be dedicated to that specific video. After you submit the prompt, give the app a moment to process the request if needed. Next, return to the main screen and tap New Chat again. This creates a completely separate conversation for your next video idea. In this new chat, enter a different video prompt and send it. Keeping these prompts in separate chats makes it much easier to review results later without confusion. From here, repeat the same process for every additional video you want to create. Each time, go back to the main screen, start a new chat, and enter a new prompt. This method is especially helpful when you're generating multiple videos for different purposes, since each chat stays focused on one topic or one style only. Using separate chats helps keep your projects organized and prevents different video ideas from affecting each other. It also makes it easier to come back later and find the exact request you used for a specific result. You can create as many new chats as needed, depending on how many video variations or concepts you want to explore. As the videos are generated, open each conversation to review the results carefully. If you find videos you want to keep, save them to your device right away so you don't lose track of them. Continue creating new chats and submitting prompts until you've generated all the videos you need. Once you're finished, take a moment to organize the saved videos on your device. Keeping them sorted in a way that makes sense to you will make editing and finding them later much easier. And that's it. You now know how to use separate chats in the Meta AI app to create multiple video projects in a clean and organized way.